ਲਾਈਫ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਐਂਡ ਰੀਹੈਬਿਲਿਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਸੈਕਟਰ 19A ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੋਨਮ ਲੈਥਵਾਲ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਭਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਨਿਭਾਈਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹਨ, ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤਮੰਦ ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਵਾਈਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਗੈਰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ। ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੋਨਮ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਸਥਾਨ ਹੈ। ਪੇਸ਼ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਖਾਸ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ।
Hello, I am Dr. Sonam, consultant physiotherapist at Life Physiotherapy Clinic, practicing here from last 8 years. Friends, I want to tell you something about physiotherapy today. Until there is life, there is a disease, and there is a disease, you need a doctor. Medicines are only source and only option to heal and to save the life. But what about the side effects of medicines? This is the only branch which saves us from the side effects and toxic effects of the drugs. I want to tell you that physiotherapy helps in restoring, retrain, maximize the functional range of body and maintaining the strength of body. One point is there to discuss that medicines only cures the symptoms of the disease, not the cause of the disease, especially in musculoskeletal disorders. Friend, there are some musculoskeletal disorders which is cured totally by physiotherapy. There is 99% recovery. It deals in various conditions like orthopedic conditions, which includes fracture cases, fracture rehabilitation. It takes 2 to 3 months, and neurological conditions like paralysis, stroke, Guillain-Barré syndrome, Parkinson's. It takes time, but the treatment is very promising. In gynecological conditions, there is some exercises and some techniques which prevents the complications of pregnancy. Physiotherapy offers prenatal and postnatal exercises program, which is very good for pregnant ladies and prevents the complications. By developing, retraining and restoring the functions, it plays a very important role in sports injury rehab. By a rehabilitation program, we recover the normal range of motion in any sports injury. For example, ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, PCL, medial menisci, all the ligaments of knee joint, all the ligaments of shoulder joint, which are the major joints in sports activities. It deals in pediatric conditions like cerebral palsy, which are diagnosed up to 2 years of age of the baby, and it cures basically pain, disability, illness and functional defaults. Now the point is what a person gains after physiotherapy. So physiotherapy promises you that one feels better, be better and move better after physiotherapy treatment. It's a hands-on approach to achieve goals and to live well. The hands-on approach of physiotherapy and the helping ends of a physiotherapist helps to really live well and the well-being of our body. Our comprehensive treatment methods will optimize your recovery and try to get back to the normal life. It includes the physical examination, your present medical status, your medical history, and what do you want to get out of physiotherapy. Then a physiotherapist take a physical examination of the patient, which helps in rule out the serious pathology and to decide that physiotherapy is the right treatment for you. Then your condition is evaluated and a diagnosis is given. This may lead to further medical and diagnostic scans, CT scan, MRI or X-ray scans. Once your condition has been determined, the treatment and exercise plan is decided. An effective treatment plan is used based on your various needs. An effective treatment plan is used based on your various needs, and we restore your normal function and your ability and your mobility, and maximize your quality of life by physiotherapy. This video is to create awareness about physiotherapy in the present world. It's important to the present world and to educate the people about the benefits of physiotherapy. Basically, people are not so much aware about physiotherapy. Every field and every branch of science deals with drugs and medicines, but physiotherapy cures by physical means without using a single drug. Let's play way to the growing physiotherapy and its role in the present world of 21st century. Physiotherapy cures orthopedic, pediatric, neurological, gynecological and musculoskeletal disorders without a single drug.